beautiful out here, being out here sometimes. Sometimes you really don't care how scary it looks and all that. It's not as scary as people think it is. It's just the mountains. You gotta relax, you gotta relax. It's just the mountains. It's beautiful. Right now, I'm on the other side of the mountains out here. I came off of 99. Getting ready to jump on the 76 and 80. But right now, I'm running to 22 before I get to 76. But I'm out in Pennsylvania. Of course, I'm out in PA. Go Steelers. Now, I know I may look back on this in years and years and say what the heck I was talking about. But right now, the Steelers, we're almost at the brink. I'm a Steelers fan. And we're almost at the brink. We don't have no quarterback, no real run game. We got Jalen Ramsey, we got DJ Metcalf, but we lost Ben and really couldn't find nobody. We got Russell, but we got Aaron Rodgers, we got the retirement team. And they really ain't putting in no work, man. I wish we could get Shedeur Sanders over here. That'd be nice. I really didn't appreciate everybody hating on Mike Tomlin, that game against the 49ers. No, that wasn't 49ers. Who the heck was we playing? I just got a brain freeze. The Bills, Buffalo Bills, yeah. We were almost won it, but Allen, he was put up to be the MVP with Lamar Jackson last year. He's pretty good, man, but they came back and beat us, and that's when everybody was screaming out we should have won the Buffalo Bill game. We tied right now in the conference. We're still up number 1 in the division, but we're tied in conference with I believe Baltimore. I don't even know how, because Baltimore they ain't all that. Lamar Jackson ain't all that this year. But we got to go meet them this Sunday again. And then we got to meet them again before we get to the playoffs. But people don't think that, Steelers might not have a chance in playoffs. I'm thinking they may have a chance to win playoff first game since 2016. We got Mike Tomlin. Mike Tomlin won the Super Bowl, I think, back in 2088. I don't know if I'm right. I might be wrong. I'm tripping if I don't know. My brain is on freeze. I had enough coffee. I've been riding all night. But I didn't appreciate them talking about Mike Tomlin like that, He's a good coach, He's doing our best he can. I do got to agree with the fans in the world about how he didn't, keep Justin Fields. And, Justin Fields, he was going to be developing behind Russell, but he was doing good the first 5 games, and Russell came in and stopped him. Then they ended up trading him off to the Jets. I just think he could have grew with us, and Justin Fields came from Ohio State, But like I said, I'm sticking with the Steelers. I ain't going to leave. I would love to get Shedeur, maybe if Mike Tomlin leave, he going to go over to Cleveland Browns. He going to be Shedeur's coach. Stefanski might leave, you know what I mean? You never know. But, enough of that. Get back to trucking. This how it is out in the mountains, man. It was bad a couple of days ago. I came from up in Sandusky, up by Lake Erie in Toledo. It was horrible. Let me tell you, it was very horrible. Everybody going about 40 miles per hour. Nobody going fast. So 77, 21 comes down out. It was just...
It's only supposed to be a short one here. It's supposed up there in an hour.
I have no idea what he said. But anyways, it was bad coming out here.
It's supposed to be out this afternoon.
These dump truck drivers, man, they always running their mouth like, I know you got to communicate. Go on another channel. They always on 19. They need to go on another channel. But they won't do it. They stay on 19. I had a guy get on 19 and say, yeah, anybody out here such and such, yeah, get on what's the name channel. I got something to say. You get on 19 and say you got something to say to get on another channel. Everybody gonna go to that channel and hear what they can talk about. But anyways, I might be wrong. But that's the trucking life. had to get my rear inside tandem on the driver's side changed on the trailer before I got to get out here on the road just a minute ago. They put some earth movers on top of the tandems, made the tandems too heavy, and overnight the dang on tire had deflated and didn't have any air in it, so I ended up telling them they had to get that fixed before I get back up here out in Altoona, and they turned around and they didn't do it until I got up here. But I ain't surprised. That's just the way they do it. At least I got it fixed. But anyway, yeah, buddy, I'm out here in the mountains, rolling and rolling. Everybody out there, just comment, man. Just let me know you're out there, you're listening, you're watching. Where you at? What you doing? What you driving? Who you driving for? Have you ever drove in the winter? Have you ever drove in the PA Turnpike, West Virginia Turnpike? Just let me know. Virginia, North Carolina, any Smoky Mountains, anything. I don't Blue Mountains, whatever, man. Let me know. Colorado Rockies, let me know. Believe me. Being in the mountains, I understand. It is no joke. Even in the summertime, it's no joke. Like, you be coming down, flying down some of them steep hills. Yeah, but if you got a heavy load, it's just gonna push you down. You stay on that brake, or you Jake brake, or you go and try to keep your foot tapping on that brake like you tap dancing back in the. I think they tap dancing. My brain is freezing. They tap dancing back in the 20s, 30s, 40s, I don't know. Anyway, like a tap dancer. You stay on that brake like a tap dancer. Don't keep holding it because you're going to catch your tandem and brakes on. Your disc going to fire back there. You got to get out and throw some snow on it. That's the inside joke. But anyways, I'm out here rolling. I got about 3 hours, rough estimate, around about 3 hours to go till I get to my ETA destination. It'll be around 12. So I'm just rolling. It still look a little dark. It was just dark. Now it's supposed to be daylight, but it's early morning. It's the winter time, you know how it is. It's an ugly day. I don't even know if the sun's out here. Okay, what is this? The police? What is he doing, man? He gotta be texting. I mean, you're the right traffic control. What are you trying to control out here by driving super slow like that? I got this trailer and they got snow on top. And all the snow going off the top. Yesterday, I ended up a freaking bird tried to fly above my truck. It didn't make it too high and the top of the truck flipped the bird. I heard it was loud thump. I don't know where it went on top of my trailer or if it fell off. But I know they wing got broke, maybe. I didn't see it after that. Down in Columbus yesterday, coming back up the road port. That's just part of trucking, you know. That's part of trucking. You gotta keep moving, you gotta keep rolling. But anyway, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute. As soon as I get to my spot. I might take the camera out and let y'all see me how I back into it to the docks. I might. It depends on how I'm feeling when I get there. I'm already super tired. But road. You already know. I'll catch up with y'all then. I'm out.